Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please comment down below. How are you guys doing? What are you feeling today? Are you feeling sad, happy, whatever it is? I'd love to hear from you, and I love reading comments. So please comment down below, subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. I am here at the Obsidian community in Summerlin by Woodside Homes, and we're gonna tour this model. This is the OPAL Plan 4, and it is $479,990 starting point. Three stories, and 1,355 square feet. All right, this is the facade of the model, and it's called Open Plan 4. Let's take a look and let's enjoy the tour. All right, so as you can see guys, this is the front of the model, and they have this amazing back-to-back balcony and front area here. I love this area here where you can sit and talk about dreams in life during the night, right? And this is their entrance, but before that I'm seeing something here, a sneak peek of their side yard. Let's take a look at this model home here. As you can see, this is the it's a pretty large front area here guys. You can definitely do your party here, dance party and yoga. But let's open and check out this model home here. Oh, okay. So that's your backyard, side yard actually. Let's go outside and check out this side yard here. I love what they did on the floor. You have your barbecue area there. All right. And what is in here? The garage. Okay, so this is how big the garage is. You can actually, wow, it's pretty big for this house, and the ceiling is so high as well. You can actually put like two big cars here. Okay, is this the elevator? Because we have 3-story. Maybe not, but let's check out. Coat closet. I thought it was the mini elevator going up. All right, so let's check out the upper area here. This definitely needs a lot of exercising because you are gonna see a lot of stairs here. But this is the flooring. Look at that, dark flooring. And look at this, very open, right? You have your table there. This is space, actually you can put a table here as well. So many buildings being built here in the Red Point area, Summerlin. Ooh, love this kitchen. And from your kitchen, while washing your dish, right, you can view the community here and some of the mountains a little bit. This is their living room area with access to the balcony, which we will check out in a while. But take a look at this. It's definitely a small size area, but the way they've done the staging looks big. All right, let's check out what's happening in the balcony. Ooh, love their fireplace thing there. It's a little windy again, but this is the community, and you have a view of the mountains there from your balcony here. Look at that, right? Definitely a nice seating area during the night. You can talk about dreams in life. Let's go back inside and check out the bedroom area. All right. I believe they might be on the 3rd floor. Okay, you have your laundry area here. Nice size laundry area. It's pretty big. Oh, love what they did on this design, guys. Look at this design. Right? This is your half bathroom. Lots of windows here, I've noticed. Let's go to the 3rd floor. We're already on the 3rd floor. So definitely an exercise when you're going upstairs. On this side of the 3rd floor is a secondary bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. That's nice. Relax. Sometimes, guys, if you're too busy in life, you gotta have some 30 minutes a day. They said successful people have 30 minutes of just relaxation each day. All right, this is yours. Definitely nice counter there. You can definitely upgrade this style here, guys, if you want a much more modern design. From your bathroom, you can see some of the mountains there. So this is your secondary bedroom. Definitely not a big size, but of course, you can still fit your full-size bed in here. And we're entering, I guess, the master or the owner's bedroom. I love their artwork here as well. On the right side, you can see the owner's bedroom. 2 dual sink or dual vanities there. No more fighting. It will avoid divorce because you don't have to fight anymore with your husband or with your wife. All right, this one is the scenery from your toilet area. They added this window, I guess, because it makes the room even brighter here, even though this color of the wall is darker, but it looks literally very, very bright here in person because of this window. Hey guys. All right, so we're gonna check out the owner's bedroom, which definitely has its own. It has its own AC and balcony access area. Someone is singing. I don't know who that is. I think that is Frank Sinatra. Let me know, guys, in the comment what's the background music there, because I can see the music is kind of old, but I believe it's beautiful music. All right, let's go outside and check out the view. Look at the view, guys, from your balcony here. You can definitely see the mountains, right? It doesn't justify in the video, but when you're here in person, you can definitely see this very clearly. That's the other model that we've toured. Please check out the channel page if you wanted to see that home tour of that model. And this is a really, really big balcony, guys. You can definitely have a dance party here. All right, we're going back to the owner's bedroom here. And that's your owner's bedroom. Nice dark wall panel there. Alright, we're going down back again. Definitely 2 bedrooms on the 3rd floor, and then the 2nd floor is your main living area. And you have 2 bathrooms, meaning half bathrooms, also one in the main living room and one on the very first floor where the garage area is. We're back on the main living area. Love the flooring here. Very nice, unique grain of gray color. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe down below. There are a lot of videos on the channel page, so please check that out so that you will see the other communities that I already visited. It's easy because there's also a playlist there on the channel page. And again, please don't forget to comment down below. What do you think of this community and also the model home here? Is this something that you would buy in the future or not? Just comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And what about the designs? Is there something here that you like? Again, I appreciate your support to the channel. If you can like this video, it will help us grow this channel. And also, those who are commenting, and really appreciate you guys. You guys are really awesome. And I love reading comments. Until next time, have a great and amazing day.